So this man, right here, survived the most powerful explosion in history, not once, but twice. So he isn't like a sort of character in a Marvel movie or something, so it's real life actually. His name was Tsutomu Yamaguchi, he's Japanese, and he literally lived through both the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. The craziest part was, he went back to work in between, like nothing happened at all. Okay, so who was he? Tsutomu Yamaguchi was a 29-year-old engineer working for Mitsubishi, and in one of those days in August 1945, he was sent to Hiroshima on a work trip, basically just doing his 9 to 5, designing oil tankers. So in August 6, he was supposed to live his last day on Earth, precisely in Hiroshima. Spoiler alert, it wasn't a normal day. So let's talk about the Hiroshima bomb. So at 8:15 a.m., while walking to the shipyard, as usual, he sees a blinding flash, and a second later, the atomic bomb explodes right at his face. The blast throws him across a field. His face and arms are burned, his eardrums blown out. He somehow managed to crawl to a shelter, half alive, fully in shock. So that night he sleeps in the rubble of a city that doesn't exist anymore. The very next day, burned, bandaged, and limping, Yamaguchi walks through Hiroshima, finds a train station somehow, and boards a train back to his hometown. Drumrolls please. You guessed it, Nagasaki. So let's talk now about the Nagasaki bomb. On August 9, he goes to work, again, to work. He's telling his boss about how Hiroshima was destroyed by a single bomb by the USA, and in mid-sentence, he sees a flash. Second bomb, Nagasaki is hit. Yamaguchi is blasted again, glass shatters, walls collapse, so his house is destroyed, but his wife and son survive by hiding in a trench. So the aftermath and the recovery was that he spent a lot of weeks in the hospital with radiation sickness. He can't eat, he's dizzy, he loses hearing in one ear, his hairs fall out, but somehow again he manages to survive. So here's a quick fun fact for you guys. So in total, around 165 people experienced both bombings, but only Tsutomu Yamaguchi was officially recognized by the Japanese government. So was he lucky or unlucky? Go down in the comments and tell me. So he experienced the worst of humanity and survived it. So he lived up to 93 years old. He spent his life speaking out against nuclear weapons. And he said, the reason I hate the atomic bomb is because of what it does to the dignity of a human being. So Mr. Yamaguchi wasn't a soldier, he wasn't rich or powerful. He was just a regular man who walked through the fire twice. So this was my first ever video on this channel, and I hope you guys liked it. I will post a bit of everything, so like, drop a comment, and subscribe for a cookie.